Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another video for everyone. In this particular video here, I'll be showing you how to remove rust stains in carpet. For this, I'll be providing two different methods, and this example is being done on boat carpet. However, this can be applied to other forms of carpet as well. In order to avoid this, don't set bare steel on carpet for extended periods of time. It's always a good idea to test these methods on a small, not so visible area to make sure you don't damage your material. Always vacuum the carpet first to remove any debris and to fluff up the carpet fibers. For the first method, here I'm using hydrogen peroxide. This isn't diluted with water. Apply it to the rust stains and let it soak in for anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes. Use a soft brush to agitate the surface, working in different directions. You can let the hydrogen peroxide soak in for a few more minutes after this if you wish. After that, I applied a carpet cleaner to freshen up the area. I was having issues with using the sprayer on the carpet cleaner due to the angle of the bottle, so I removed the sprayer and rotated the pickup straw inside 180 degrees. When the solution is at the front of the bottle and it's being angled downward, it'll be able to suck the cleaner up. Again, a brush is used to agitate the carpet. Finally, is vacuum up the hydrogen peroxide and carpet cleaner. Use a wet-dry compatible shop vac. Depending on the severity of the stains, this may take more than one time. I let the area dry and more was applied after. I'll provide some footage once everything is cleaned up at the end of the video. For the next method, I found this method doesn't work as well. This one requires more applications for severe stains. Again, the carpet was vacuumed to remove any debris and fluff up the fibers. Next is mixing a salt and vinegar mixture. 1/4 cup salt to 1/4 gallon of vinegar. Let this soak into the rust stains for anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes. Then agitate with a brush. After using a brush, you can let it soak in for a few more minutes. This will allow the solution to work its way down into the stain. A fabric cleaner can also be applied here too. This will help remove the smell left over from vinegar. If not, the vinegar smell will typically linger for up to a week. Then follow up with a wet-dry vacuum. Once dry, here you can see how the carpet looks. I did follow up with more applications after to ensure the stains were fully removed. New videos are released every week on my channel. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button. It's a huge help to me. And leave a comment below if you found this tutorial helpful. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to also hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.